Hello everyone, here's what's up in San Bernardino for April 10th through April 16th, 2023. Monday, the Health Education Center, 1725 Western Avenue in San Bernardino, will host a workshop on making your recipes work for you. Whether you have special dietary needs or have a picky eater in the family, you can learn tips and changes to make mealtime easier. Call 909-806-1816 to get the details. Play ball! Tuesday begins a new season of the Inland Empire 66ers baseball. Come cheer on the hometown team as they take on the Lake Elsinore Storm and get special Tuesday prices. Call 909-888-9922 for the details. Psyched about National Poetry Month but not sure how to celebrate? Wednesday, pick up a pen and promenade over to the Rowe Library, 108 East Marshall Boulevard in San Bernardino. They have particularly practical prompts to help you produce poems you're proud of. Call 909-381-8201 for all the poetic particulars. Thursday is National Peach Cobbler Day, an annual event since the 1950s. You can celebrate with an order from the original Mommy Helen's Bakery, 1440 Southeast Street in San Bernardino. They also have apple and roseberry cobbler or delicious pies and cakes. Call 909-384-7052 for more information or to schedule a pickup. Do you take your dog hiking in the mountains? Rattlesnake season has been starting early in recent years, and High End Kennels is here to help. Friday, you can bring your dog to rattlesnake avoidance training at the Humane Society of San Bernardino Valley, 274 West Orange Shore Road in San Bernardino. Contact the center at 909-386-1400, extension 218 for more information or to book an appointment. Saturday, Art Walk San Bernardino presents Art Stock. You'll find live music, food trucks, and lots of art at Court Street Square, 349 Northeast Street, San Bernardino. For more information, call 909-381-5388. Sunday is Sunday Fun Day at Bolero, 299 West Orange Shore Road in San Bernardino. Starting at 8 p.m., you'll find great deals on games, shoe rentals, and arcade cards. Call 909-889-0355 for more information. And that's what's up in San Bernardino for April 10th through April 16th, 2023. If you have an event that you'd like us to highlight here, send an email to events@videop.com. And we'll see you next time and we'll let you know what's up San Bernardino.